guys, welcome back to Randomness Lucy Harry Potter fan. Today I'm going to be doing the Mysterious Harry Potter Puppet Pals, the Mysterious Ticking Noise, but I'm going to be Snape in this one. If you want me to be Hermione or Ron or Harry or Dumbledore or whoever, just comment down below. But today I'm going to be doing the Snape. So 3, 2, 1.
Snape.
Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape.
Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Severus Snape.
Hermione. Hermione.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Severus
Harry Potter. Yeah. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. That's me. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Dumbledore. Hermione.
Snape.
Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
So this is Voldemort if you want me to be in.
Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.